think the HSJ does a good job for the health service in terms of bringing us together and giving a platform for discussion and for ideas to surface.
Pretty important, yeah. It's an industry magazine, so it matters to the people that matter to us.
I mean, obviously, it's really helpful to have a recognition because, there's a lot of work that goes on in the health service that doesn't really get recognised, and the HSJ does give us the opportunity to submit awards and to recognise. I mean, obviously, there's the three of us here, but dozens and dozens of other people contributed to its success.
I think it's really important because the HSJ has a lot of standing, and I think the kudos we get as an organisation from the HSJ award is just, you can't put it into words.
It's about patient-led, it's about patient services, and it gives us a platform to develop the next bit of service that we need to do.
It just gives recognition for units such as this. It's a learning disability services in Norfolk. It's relatively small. To be acknowledged on a field such as across in the middle of London, across the Health Service Journal Award is just fantastic. It's good.
It's really important that someone like the HSJ organises these awards because, as my colleague has said, it really validates some of the hard work that are put into these projects that are actually going to make a real difference for patients.
I think the Health Service Journal represents where health workers come from, and I think it represents the voices of the people that work within the NHS and the suppliers within the NHS. So I think that the HSJ sponsoring this is a great thing, and it should continue.
Health Service Journal is one of the leading communication industries or modalities in the UK, and it's a recognized national award, so it's highly valued.
I think the HSJ is a national award which we feel that is worthy recognition of, and I think most NHS organisations know the HSJ.
The HSJ is a real feather in your cap. I mean, everybody recognises that it's a prestigious award, and so we're enormously delighted.
This actual service, we had written an article for the HSJ, which they published in February of this year, describing how this service improves patients' outcomes. And because of that, when the opportunity to do workforce development came up, we thought we'd jump at the chance.
I think it's, again, we'd say tonight, we're the only charity who've been nominated for an award this evening. And we think that's really very significant. And as a charity, this particular project is developed by health professionals for professionals. It's going to work in the real world. So we thank HSJ for including a charitable nomination this evening.